Tell the people.
Well, he brought out the best in people by keeping it simple. He knew his players, he knew what they could do, and he knew what they weren't so good at, so he would get you to do what you're good at. It's really simple. But he'd also get you to do the simple things well. You know, we see these players that want to smash these Beckham-esque 60, 70, 80-yard balls from one end of the pitch to the other, but Brian Clough would want you to get the ball, control it, and pass it 5 yards.
Yes.
Pass it forward. He didn't like it going backwards because he always wanted the ball to go forwards. But do the basic things well and do them consistently well. So, yeah, he knew what his players could do, and he'd want you to do the simple things well, but also have a great work ethic. So, you've got to work hard.
So identifying skills in people and getting them to hone them and sharpen them, gifting and skills, strengths, flowing those.
Yeah.
And commitment.
Yeah. I mean, I think that there's another analogy where I worked for Christians in Sport for a while.